Sweet corn, Burj Khalifa in the background. What else can I dream of? Probably of meeting a sheikh. This is how I attract fish.
5 elements that make you a star. Walk like me. To the right. Walk like me. Walk like me. To the right. Walk like me. Walk like me. Shut up and watch me walk.
Local?
Hey everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today we're in the heart of luxury, Dubai. Right behind me you can see the stunning Rixos hotel and these amazing fancy cars. It's like a scene straight out of a movie. The skyscrapers here are just mesmerizing, and views from the windows absolutely breathtaking. Still sunny and hot today, but hey, that's Dubai for you.
The lovers of nice cars, here's the other one. Orange, white, and gray. We are going to the beach. Turkish breakfast, Turkish tea, and Dubai. Oui, oui. Şerefe. Çok güzel. I'm a type of person who eats a lot on holidays, and later when I come back to St. Petersburg I go to the gym 5 times a week or even more and go back to normal.
Hi, we're here. Smile. Welcome to Dubai, where the sun kisses your skin like a dragon's breath and the heat hits you like a warm hug from a giant hairdryer. I took my mom on a trip here, and let me tell you, it was hotter than a sauna on Mercury, 45 degrees Celsius of pure desert heat, just like an infrared sauna at my fitness center. But it felt even worse, as though it's plus 80 degrees Celsius. Finnish sauna. Obviously, normal people do not go out in such temperatures, but I don't belong to this group of people. I'm a crazy person, so here we are outside, exploring the city and heading to the beach.
Behind me you can see the Eye of Dubai, the tallest wheel in the world. Towering over the skyline, this incredible engineering marvel promises a ride that will help you seeing the city from new heights. I really like this beach. Soft white sand under feet feels like walking on a cloud. With each step, the sand gently molds around the feet, and you can't help but feel a sense of bliss and serenity wash over you. I highly recommend watching a mesmerizing dancing fountain show in Dubai later in this video. If you can't wait, go to 925. It's a breathtaking experience that you definitely don't want to miss.
Can you? I want to get a video of that. Why? Because I like it. The video.
Floating in the water.
Only can float as well. Oh yeah.
Enjoying my life in Dubai.
Say it again.
Isoma.
Amasi. Unike. If I did. In I did. Oh, I've lost you. Look at you.
What shall I say again now?
No way, you're lost. I can't teach you that.
Dubai isn't just about sights, it's about the people too. We met locals as warm as the sun, eager to share stories and laughter, perfect for some friendly interviews over nice spicy food that made our taste buds dance the salsa. On quieter days, we discovered empty beaches where blue jellyfish lazily floated in the crystal clear waters. We even befriended some cute hungry crabs. Yes, I actually put one on a swing, proving crabs can have fun too.
Hello, my friend. Shower for you. How do you feel? Do you want to come to the swing with me? We can swing you. Look. Crab on the swing.
Oh, look at this little yellow cutie with a curious expression on his face. Let's give you some food. He may be jealous of the first crab and also wants to swim. Yeah? Yeah.
So, whether you're into skyscrapers or sandcastles, shopping sprees, Dubai's got it all. Plus a little extra magic under the desert sun. It's a place where dreams meet reality and every corner offers a new adventure. Come for the sights, stay for the surprises, and live with memories hotter than Dubai's summer sun. Stay tuned for more adventures and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.